What's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna get our Supra smog, oh my god. What's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna get our Supra aligned because recently I just got it lowered on lowering springs. If you guys haven't watched that video already, I'll link it down in the description or I'll put it on the top right here. Today we're going to Core Motive. I think I'm saying that right. And we have a ways to go, about 41-minute drive. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, alignment's all done. If you guys need any alignment or anything actually car related, you can go check them out. Core Motive, and yeah man, pretty good service. Oh god, and got me out of here in like an hour, so pretty good. So a little update on the head. Cylinder head. Removing the valve guides. Using
this tool. No, actually.
Oh, you didn't make it?
This one.
Oh, they saw that one.
And it says snap-on.
Oh. Oh, snap-on.
Yes. And you just put it in. And make sure it doesn't hit the whole thing.
Did it come out? What kind of tool is that called? Valve guide.
This is a pneumatic.
Let me see. Dang. See it? Oh, it's coming out. Right there, right? Oh, it came out. Nice. Now we just gotta do it 15 more times.
This is the exhaust side. So it look like when it's up.
Oh yeah, it bent. Can't reuse that, huh? What is this side?
Exhaust side.
Exhaust side?
They're all like that.
Oh, all of them.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a leaning tower.
Yeah, make sure you guys change your timing belts. Did you buy a cheap one?
I think so.
God.
Gates.
Just use OEM.
Yeah.
So those are valve stems, right?
This is valves.
Oh, valves.
Those are valves.
So we have to buy, or you have these?
I have them. I have to buy intake and exhaust. This is the exhaust side, the smaller one. The bigger one are the intake.
So exhaust.
Exhaust side, intake side.
Intake side.
Yeah, see how it's bigger?
Bigger. The bigger is intake. So we have extra ones of these.
I have.
So we don't have to buy it.
We don't have to because I have the original one.
What's up, Audi? Say hi to the camera. My dog, Audi. Mic check, mic check. Is this thing on? What's up, guys? So this is the next day of the Evo build. It's another update. It's just another update on the head of the motor. I wish we could work on this every day, but we both have jobs to do. But eventually we want to get to that point. Our goal is to get to that point where we can just work on cars every day so we can push out more content, but as of right now, this is all we can do. So my dad went ahead and worked on the top of the head while I was at work, and he pretty much polished and cleaned up the head. Looks pretty good. What else are you gonna do?
No, we're just gonna do this.
You're gonna polish out the head, right?
Yes.
Why do we need to polish the head?
Why?
Yeah.
Better flow. Yeah.
That one?
Yeah, you need that to make that thing smooth to flow, just like that. See how it flow?
Yeah.
Nice. Then later on, we'll put a dummy valve here, and we'll smooth those. See that cut right there? Those are the factory cut. You want that to be smooth. So just make everything flow.
We just have to finish this.
This is done
and then
here.
that's it, right?
Yeah, and that's it, done.
All right, guys, we did it. We hit 1,000 subs. Oh man. Well, thank you guys for 1,000 subs. Truly grateful. I don't even know what to say. I know it's not a lot to some, but to me, it's a lot. So yeah, you just gotta celebrate your small wins. And yeah, man, thank you so much.
Congratulations!
My girlfriend called because she saw it. Well, if you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.